Hey everyone, in this video, let's find out how you can use the Liftoff app. In order to do so, here we are at liftoffrank.com. And what is Liftoff all about? Well, you can get stronger with gym ranks. How high will you climb? If you are interested, you can download that on the App Store or get it on Google Play. Let's go ahead and take a look here. So you can get your rank for over 300 exercises, effortlessly track your workouts, instantly identify muscles to improve, challenge yourself, and climb the leaderboards and share your journey with friends. So if you're interested in the Liftoff app, you can get it on both the App Store or you can get it on Google Play as well. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you'll find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our socials and our top AI recommendations, including Cintra. Cintra is a fantastic business strategy tool that gets to know you and your business, offering tailored insights to help you succeed. Check out our YouTube playlist all about Cintra. And if you click on the referral link in the link tree, you can get the first month for 60% off. Also, check out Simply Financial. If you click on the referral link in the link tree, you can get $50 to open an account and $125 per referral. It's a great deal. It's a great bank. Comes highly recommended. Check to see if it's available in your area.